Yeah, if we always go to the game, everybody say 3 point.
Semua orang bilang 3 poin.
And we have 3 points.
Hari ini kita dapat 3 poin.
If you ask me my opinion as a coach of the players,
tapi kalau tanya opini saya sebagai pelatihnya pemain,
it starts in the season that we lost 3 times.
Itu semua diawali dengan musim ini kita kalah 3 kali.
And then we play a difficult, because I think that Arema has a good team, especially in the offense.
Arema bagus, apalagi di offense.
We play a game in high intensity. I think we played very good last week.
Kita main dengan intensitas tinggi minggu lalu.
The players work very hard during the week.
Pemain kerja sepanjang minggu.
We have a clear plan.
Plan kita jelas.
And I think from the first minute,
dari menit pertama,
we didn't get tempo in the game.
Kita nggak dapat tempo pertandingan.
And that's a little bit too bad for, I think, also the spectators.
Itu sayang juga buat penonton.
Because for me, I understand that 3 points is important.
Dia tahu 3 poin itu penting.
But I also want to show games like last week, and that's 7 days ago. So.
Tapi dia juga mau kasih lihat pertandingan kayak minggu lalu, itu baru 7 hari.
And I see them train. So I had big confidence for the game today.
Dan pelatih nonton mereka latihan, jadi kita percaya diri lah.
But we get so much time to play.
Kita ada banyak waktu buat main.
And that's of course the right of Biak, because
itu hak Biak juga.
They dropped on their own half.
Mereka langsung bertahan di setengah lapangan.
But then you have to play high tempo. You have to switch side.
Di situ kita harus main high tempo, pindah, switch.
And we had from the first minute war with the ball.
Kita menit pertama kita ada perang dengan bola.
And sometimes that happens in football.
Kadang-kadang itu terjadi di sepak bola.
But then 7 days ago we played one of the best 45 minutes since I'm the coach of Deva.
Tapi 7 hari lalu kita main 45 menit terbaik.
We didn't get any tempo in the game.
Hari ini kita nggak dapat tempo permainan.
And that was until the last moment.
Itu sampai di menit akhir baru.
We scored some beautiful goals.
Golnya cantik.
So at the end our goal 3 points.
Pada akhirnya gol itu kasih kita 3 poin.
But in the way we played, that's not our identity.
Tapi dari cara kita main itu bukan identitas kita.
And again we played Malut intensive games.
Bahkan lawan Malut.
Persija very intensive games.
Intense lawan Persija bahkan juga intense.
But there was high pressure in the field. And now
di lapangan ada tekanan tinggi.
There is space.
Hari ini ada ruang.
So sometimes space is more difficult than tension.
Kadang-kadang ruang itu lebih sulit daripada.
Because then you have more times to think about your decisions.
Dan kau punya banyak waktu buat ambil keputusan.
And I think we didn't in the way we played. I'm not happy.
Di cara kita main dia nggak terlalu senang.
But in the way we played 7 days ago and we trained before this match.
Tapi cara main minggu lalu dan cara kita latihan.
I will never blame my players that they don't work. They work very hard.
Nggak bisa disalahkan pemain, mereka udah kerja keras.
Great numbers in the game.
Kita ciptakan angka yang tinggi.
But now we had to deal with the different spaces. And
sekarang kita harus atur di ruang yang berbeda.
And that happens in football.
Dan itu terjadi di sepak bola.
Alhamdulillah dapat 3 poin di laga kandang pertama saya. Jelas ini salah satu momen yang bahagia buat saya karena ini baru match kedua saya, tapi kedepannya saya pasti bakalan bakal punya motivasi yang tinggi dari game-game ini maupun game sebelumnya. Jadi semua pemain juga semua senior juga ngebantu saya banget buat ngasih tahu di lapangan, di luar lapangan. Jadi ya sangat bersyukur dapat 3 poin hari ini.
Ricky, that's a very special player.
Ricky itu pemain yang spesial.
And Ricky, you see even with the national team, the way he put balls in between, the way that's one of the big quality he has.
Ricky di timnas bahkan kita bisa lihat dia bisa taruh bola di antara.
And he's very important for us.
Pemain penting buat kita.
He's a very good captain.
Kapten juga bagus.
So I didn't give instructions.
Jadi dia nggak ngasih instruksi.
But he played in an area where where he gets in situations where he can give assist. But
Dia main di area di mana dia bisa kasih assist.
it's not because I told him.
Itu bukan karena dia suruh.
We have 1 point more than the first 8 games last year.
Kita udah punya 1 poin lebih banyak dibanding musim lalu.
And what I just mentioned in the games where there's more resistance, I think we never failed.
Ketika di pertandingan itu ada lebih banyak resistensi, kita tidak pernah gagal.
I think Persija, we should have had 1 point. Malut, we should have had 1 point.
Persija mesti dapat 1 poin, Malut juga
But
1.
there we also played good.
Tapi kita
Arema
main
was a
bagus.
very good game.
Lawan Arema main bagus.
So this is the first time
Ini pertama kali
where I say, okay, this is, you have always eine Untergrenze. I don't know what's in English.
selalu ada, itu bahasa
An
Belanda.
under border,
Ya, di bawah itulah.
where you don't accept that the team goes down. But I think today was,
Di mana kita tuh nggak boleh menerima di bawah itulah.
and the players know.
Dan pemain tuh tahu.
But now we play different opponent, Persebaya,
Sekarang kita main lawan yang beda, Persebaya.
and I think that fits us better.
Dan itu cocok lah buat kita.
And from this game we have to learn.
Dan dari pertandingan ini kita harus belajar.
Me also as a coach.
Dia juga sebagai pelatih.
Oke, mungkin itu menjadi pertanyaan terakhir untuk Cosmatch pada sore hari ini. Terima kasih Coach Ian, terima kasih Richard, congratulations for the win. Terima kasih untuk rekan-rekan yang telah hadir. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Terima kasih.